so these two guys are your flavors of hyperboloids. If you spend a bit of time fiddling with this, you'll figure out that if you've got x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared minus c squared over c squared is 1, that you'll get a hyperboloid of one sheet, which looks like hyperbolas in two slices and ellipses in the other.
Yeah.
So it'll look like this. You guys recognize this shape from something?
Yo-yo. Stork legs.
Yeah.
Maybe more like this way.
Volcano.
Nuclear factory?
Yeah, these are nuclear cooling towers. You guys know why they're made this way? There's a super cool thing about this.
Better cooling? More efficient.
Yeah, there's some very cool properties of aerodynamics in these, but also you can build one with steel girders. This is a curved shape, right? That's clear. You can build it out of straight materials.
Isn't it kind of like those web things you did in like 3rd, 4th grade, where you make straight lines? The more straight lines you connect to the dots, you start making this beautiful looking curve. I don't even know what it's called.
Yeah. That's
Same thing. But
yeah,
reverse.
if you want to make one of these, you take your stack of steel girders, put them in a big circle, right? Make a cylinder out of them. Then you take the top and bottom and go like this, and it twists right into one of these. They're super strong for their shape. They're really easy to build with straight materials. So there's your engineering application for the day. The other one is less easy to build with straight materials because it's a hyperboloid in two directions and ellipsoids in the other, or ellipses in the other, but they're not connected, which causes lots of problems when you're trying to build one. So they look like this. Cool. Yeah, this ain't gonna build easy, right? The other thing that these guys get used for is skew rotation transmission. So you have two rods that don't meet at a right angle. They just kind of meet in space like this. And you'd like to translate twisting on one of them to twisting on the other. You need these kind of funky looking gears, and you make them out of the hyperboloid of one sheet. There's some application for that, as I recall, in a transmission. But
Is it kind of like a paralever?
I don't know that word.
It's basically two gears meet at a intersection.
So this is non-90.
Non-90.
Yeah, at 90-degree intersections, there's a really cool thing that you can use.
Yeah.
And at these guys, it's really messy, but you can just, it turns out, figure out how the heat works. Cool?